Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of English Balbharti Standard 1, lesson number 7, letters on a tab and computer keyboard. So dear students, find, read and use. So today we will learn to type on tab, mobile and keyboard. So I will show you to type on mobile, and the same procedure you can use to type on tab and keyboard. So let's start. So dear students, first of all we will type all letters in capital. So for this we will press up arrow 2 times, then you can write all letters in capital. So we will start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now we will press down arrow to type in small letters. Now we will click up arrow again to write in small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now my dear students, type the following sentence on your parents' mobile or computer. THEQUICKBROWN space FOX fox space JUMPS jumps space OVER over space A space LAZY lazy space DOG dog full stop. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Now dear students, type this one and type your full name and send me.